Hello viewers, Photoman here, and here we are. We are in East Coulee, which is east of Drumheller, and this is the historic 1936 East Coulee train trestle. I will put the history in the description because there's a lot of history and the relationship of this bridge to the Atlas coal mine, which is a protected heritage site. Hopefully this bridge can be saved, and I really hope that the city and county will help with that, because it's definitely part of the history in that area. Thanks as always for tuning into the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.